Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashi Adani and for today's video we are reviewing my 2025 vision board to see what all I achieved and what all I didn't. So let's get started. Honestly, I'm finding this so funny. I feel like nervous in a way कि मेरे results आ गए and I have to explain to my parents कि मैं नहीं पढ़ पाई थी. Exam questions difficult थे. मुझे बताया नहीं गया था कि ये portion important है. Like I feel like already I'm coming up with excuses in my head as to why certain things were not done. But I have to be able to be honest and just accept कि कुछ चीज़ें नहीं हो पाई है. Okay. First, we'll start with my pull-up. Okay. Pull-up नहीं हो पाया है. Long story short, नहीं हो पाया है because I tried it multiple times throughout the year. I tried training and practicing, and I have gone from like multiple bands to like a single loop band, but I have not been able to go without a band. Not even one pull-up I am able to do with just my body weight. I am trying a couple of techniques, but नहीं हो पाया है. Basically, pull-up नहीं हो पाया है and we are going to have to carry it forward to the next year. I'm feeling so bad to put a cross, but I feel like I should. Cross. Sad. Very sad. Next, this was a photo of abs to get basically my PCOS in control. And I am so happy to inform that my PCOS is under control. According to my doctor, we can consider it gone as well. I kid you not, I have really put in so much effort this year as if PCOS ko resolve karna was my one goal. Almost all my reports have come normal, which with regards to the PCOS bit. Obviously, it's not something that can completely go from my system. It's not like कि वापस नहीं आ पाएगा. If I go back to my old habits, it can definitely come back. But for now, I don't have it. So, yay for me. Next, we have worked on hair health. I have really tried to work on my hair health, but because of PCOS, I was having these waves of hair fall. So even I was talking to my dermat, and she was like, hey, we can't really do anything till your waves of hair fall go away, which I feel like hopefully next year I'll be able to put in control. But I have worked on taking care of my hair. I use products that, because I heat style my hair so much, I've started using K18. I've started using good shampoos, conditioner, hair growth serums. Like I have a proper routine in place for my hair. Don't know if you can tell, but it is doing better than last year. It's not as good as it was, but it is doing better than last year. So I'm gonna give myself that. Next, we've got healthy relationship with food. I started dieting this year with my dietitian Chitwan Garg. The entire year I have been on her diet, and we've been through multiple phases. First was for PCOS, second was for because I wanted to put on more muscle, so I went on like more of a heavy protein diet. Came to know I am sensitive to protein, so went on a gut healing diet. Currently I'm still on the gut healing diet and I'm doing much better. I don't know if I can proudly say that I'm happy with my relationship with food, because still once in a while if I end up cheating on my meals or if my weight goes a little more, I do feel very badly about it. I can't explain it. I have had breakdowns over meals, and that was not good. So I feel like relationship with food has gotten better. I feel like it has gotten better since last year. So as I was saying, I don't think I'm 100% there. It has physically manifested well for my body. Mentally, I need to still work on it. And I'm really sad about it. Next, I feel good in my body. I kind of do, because I did lose quite a bit of weight. Again, tying back to PCOS. Because of PCOS, I had to lose weight, and hence the dieting and everything. And I do feel good in my body. Some days I'm happier, some days I'm not the happiest. But overall, the confidence has gotten better. Like, I did put on weight after Diwali a bit, and the swimwear that used to fit me so beautifully last year was a little tight when I was in Bali this year, and I didn't let it bother me basically. So I feel like I have mentally been okay with my body. Like, कि body change होते रहेगा. I can't be stuck to कि मैं 16 साल की थी तब ऐसी लगती थी. Now I don't look like that. Like, that was 10 years ago. Get over it. So I do feel good in my body. Next, we've got concerts. मैंने 2 attend करे in the most unexpected manner. I went to Abu Dhabi for Coldplay and I went to London for Usher. I went to Abu Dhabi, but the team that was organizing this for me was horrible, and I did not have the ticket till the morning of the concert. They sent me and they are like, हम करेंगे, but I did not have the ticket, and until the day of the concert. And Usher, I went with my friends in London, and it was so much fun. Coldplay was also a lot of fun. It was just started with a lot of stress, so I was quite irritated, but ye ho gaya, literally. Next, we have girls trips. काफ़ी ज़्यादा हो गई. We went to London, I went to Bali with my girls, I went to Jaipur with one of my girlfriends. Yeah, that's it. I think 3 girls trips हो गई, which was amazing. Then this was international paid work trip. नहीं हो पाई. I in fact didn't do any international work trips. All the trips have been domestic, and while I'm fully grateful for that, I really wanted to do an international one, so hopefully we'll do that next year. Next, we have flying business class. Oh my god, you guys, if you guys have not seen my video, what are you talking about? मैंने चिल्ला के बोला है I have flown business class because I was so excited about it. Huda Beauty flew me from Mumbai to Delhi and Delhi to Mumbai in business class. Again, I feel like ये मैंने international सोच के डाला था, but domestic में भी बहुत मजा आ गई. Like, literally बहुत मजा आ गई. So yay. Next, we've got do something that scares me. मैंने snorkeling kiya and it did scare me in Bali, okay, but I don't want to give myself that because snorkeling I've already done before. So while I was scared this time as well, I was less scared. So it मतलब मैं willingly चली गई करने के लिए. It was not like oh my god, I can't believe I did this. I didn't do anything that scared me. Next, starting my own brand. Oh my god, Intretio came to life. We had been working on it for so long, but finally it came to life in April of this year, and we have done customized bathrobes, we have done towels, we've done customized towels, we've launched an astrology collection, and we are working on something even bigger as we speak. I'm not sure when it will go live, hopefully Jan first week or Jan end maybe, but we are working on something that's gonna be too good. So I'm very excited and I'm glad it happened. Next, we've got repeat I'm a money magnet. Okay, so this was mainly for me to set financial goals for myself and targets for to achieve monetarily. Pure पैसे के POV से ये है, and I do feel like I set targets for myself, and more or less I want to say out of 12 months 10 months I have achieved those targets, and trust me, they were not small targets. I did make it difficult, and I have my team to thank for it because they really took my goals seriously, and I have also like kind of pushed for it. So yeah, we did achieve my financial goals, which is great for a good jugal. Next was this, which was be more creative with my content, and I feel like this year I really have broken out of the shell of beauty content that I used to create, that I do create. I still create beauty content, but I feel like I've broken out of the shell of just beauty. I've experimented with a little bit of finance content, a little bit of lifestyle content, little bit of fashion content. Even with beauty and brands, we are doing a lot of creative concepts, my team and and I'm really happy because the maza, the kick that you get as a creative person when you get to do something different is just too good. It's like the best dopamine you can get, and I really I'm glad we are able to push creatively. Next, we've got 300k followers. Bro, we're so close, so close. Okay, so I think today is the 11th of December when I'm filming this video. अभी तक YouTube पे है 278K and Instagram पे है 295K. So I feel like Instagram is more plausible, but I feel like Jan तक दोनों platforms में हो जाएंगे, but basically 2025 में नहीं हो पाया. I'm so sad. And yeah, this is just disappointing, very very disappointing on this. Next we have launched a collab with a beauty brand, and ये expected था थोड़ा बहुत, because बात हो रही थी मेरी टिप्सी ब्यूटी के साथ के are we interested, do we want to do something, blah blah blah, but nothing was finalized when I made this vision board video basically, and it could easily fall through. But it did happen. We worked on the formulations. It was so much fun. We worked on the shoot. I got to send out PR packages. I'm on their website. I'm on Nykaa. I'm everywhere. And I launched my collection with Tipsy Beauty, and it was the most different thing I have done this year, and I'll truly be grateful for it always. Also, the reviews of the products are fantastic, and my contour from the range is a bestseller for the brand. Next was spending quality time with family. Bro, मतलब मैं बहुत किया, like बहुत किया. I know my family more than anybody knows my family at this point, which is amazing. Next was meditate, विच मैंने डाला था, तभी भी मुझे हंसी आ रही थी, अभी भी मुझे हंसी आ रही है. मेडिटेशन मुझसे नहीं होने वाला था, तो मैंने नहीं किया. मैंने ट्राई भी नहीं किया. आई एम नॉट इवन गोइंग टू बी लाइक मैंने ट्राई किया था, बिकॉज मैंने नहीं किया. आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू से. It's not a me thing at all. Next was get a hobby. Oh my god, guys, I have painted a lot this year. I have done origami this year. I have read so many books. I think I've read over 9 books in the last 6 months. Basically, first 6 months I couldn't pick a hobby. I was dabbling into painting and stuff. But I think in June or July I ended up picking a book, and that कीड़ा came back, because बचपन में मैं बहुत books read करती थी, a lot till I came in college. I used to read like a crazy person, and then it just went away, and I've tried picking up books too many times and I've failed each and every time. But this time I picked up a book, and it really just brought something in me, and I could finish that book. And since then I've been reading murder mysteries. Basically, I realized that if I know something crazy is going to happen at the end, I'll keep persevering. So I've only been able to read fiction. Non-fiction I tried, I couldn't read. And only like crazy, mind-twisting, psychological murder mysteries I've been able to read really well, I think. And I'm really proud of myself. So yay. Next is put yourself out there. This was for mainly socializing in real life and at work, like at events and stuff. I want to say I really tried, but I'm not happy. I don't have like 10 new friends. The goal was not to make 10 new friends, but the goal was to kind of be more out there, and I feel like I can be more out there than I was this year. In fact, this year मेरा इतना motivation was very low to attend events altogether, because I was just not interested. I don't know, the vibes were very off this year with events. I did attend quite a few, but not as much as I do every year, so the opportunities were quite less. But I think I tried. So I feel very 50-50 about this, so I don't know what to say. I'm just gonna do this random line. Next, we've got the new chapter. Clearly, no new chapter has happened. Hopefully, next year. Next, we've got solo dates. मैंने एक भी नहीं करी. The headspace that I was in last year when I put this here, and I don't think I'm in that headspace anymore, so it doesn't make sense for me anymore. Volunteer work. ये मेरा मतलब, I actually regret not being able to do too much. I did a beach cleanup with Ganya, which was good, and I do a lot of my online appeal donations online, but मेरे को offline करना था, and I still want to do it, but these are things that I have been told need to be pre-planned. Basically, if I know that okay, I'm gonna be free on X day, then I can call them and kind of pre-plan it. But with the way how life has been, nothing I've been able to pre-plan. I can't even pre-plan a dinner, तो ये भी नहीं हो पाया, which is a terrible excuse. So I do want to do it next year, because I really still want to give back. So yeah. sad, but yeah. This was Invest Better, and I am happy to report that I am investing better. I am learning a lot more. I'm learning more about like riskier investments, investments in different kinds of brackets, and I do feel like I'm very happy with my investments this year, and that's only my call. Only I can decide if I'm happy or not, and I am. So yay. Yes. Next we've got 10K steps. मैंने की है बहुत, like I think I want to say probably 50% of the year I did do 10K steps, but not every day. And I feel like realistically every day is not even possible. So I mean, I'm happy with how much I did, but I feel like I can do more also. So just a meh line over here. Lastly, let it go. This was more so to do with the fact of being peaceful and getting my head right. Basically, my PCOS was mostly stress induced as per my gynac, because I used to always work out, I've always eaten healthy and stuff like that. So mostly sub stress induced tha, which is why I wanted to kind of just let everything go. And I feel like the person I was last year versus the person I am now, very different, very different. And there are very few things I still let myself get bothered by. As compared to last year, everything used to bother me. Now very few things bother me. So I do feel like I have really let it go, consciously let it go with the help of my therapist. But yeah, I did let it go, and I'm very, very happy about it. Anyway, so I want to see how many crosses I have.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So I think 9 out of 25 things I couldn't do, and 2 I'm still on the fence about. So wanna say 11 things out of 25 things I didn't do, which is almost 50% of my vision board not being successful, which is fine. I feel like next year kar lenge, koi nahi. Doing 50% of the things was also very, very important. Apart from this, there have been a lot of achievements personally and professionally, which I couldn't even think about, and they have happened, as well as a lot of fails which I didn't think about and have happened. So I mean, life is gonna keep moving, but it's nice to reflect and look back. And in the next video, which is the last video of 2025, we're going to make a vision board for 2026. So I'm very excited for it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, comment below, and let me know what you have achieved in 2025 and what you haven't achieved as well. I'll see you guys next Saturday. Bye.